This is the setup process for my pretty in pink install. So this is how I tie my balloon garlands to the backdrops. I'm taking a 260 balloon and tying it to my clamp, just like so. Y'all excuse my nails, I need to get them done. So once that's tied in the middle, you're then gonna take the other part and you're gonna attach that to your balloon garland. So once I grab that, you'll be able to see how you attach the end of that balloon right there to your balloon garland, and then you'll easily just clamp the clamp of the balloon garland onto your backdrop. And this is such an easy process. It allows your backdrops to not be damaged by command hooks or those adhesive hooks. Highly recommend. So here I am just attaching it on. Typically, you should always bring a ladder or chair with you to these events. That way you're able to reach those high spots. So now I'm just filling in the gaps. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my 5-inch balloons to the balloon garland because I always like my garlands to be full. Love a full look, and it just really makes everything look super cute. And here is the final result. Pretty in pink balloon install. This is the White Room at Jade and Jura in Duncanville, Texas. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. For more party inspiration and tutorials on DIY setups, make sure you are following Radiance Events on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. I post a lot of my projects there, so that way you can stay connected to the new ideas.